Gullah cuisine is a vibrant reflection of African culinary heritage, blending traditional ingredients and techniques. Staples like rice, which is essential due to West African farming methods, form the basis of many dishes. Okra, shrimp, yams, and greens are celebrated for their flavor and nutritional value. Signature dishes include gumbo, a hearty stew, and red rice made with tomatoes and spices. Techniques such as slow cooking and seasoning with natural herbs enhance flavor profiles. Gullah cooking emphasizes resourcefulness, using every part of an ingredient. This culinary tradition is vital, preserving cultural identity while influencing Southern cooking today. If you found this video knowledgeable, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to sub up.